Alright, so last in time festival, I'm there with this brother who needs no introduction. Can't tired, how you doing?
Yeah man, we just do it, you know, every time, you know, because naturally, you have to just give thanks and praise to life, and give thanks and praise to Jah. We just put you up there, always and always.
So you were on stage with Lila Ike just now, like you and Lila Ike are friends for a while now?
Good while, you know.
Oh.
You see, most naturally, in this way we are doing to the best of our ability, and we go on and always make it happen in our life. We make it always happen.
And when she gave the call, the reaction was what? She said, yo, more you on stage with me, what was the reaction?
It's just natural.
Yeah.
Because we just have things natural. We no force.
Oh, okay.
You see me I say? Because force is not it. Natural is always be it.
Can't tired. You realize how popular you are right now in the streets, and I think this has been going for like the past couple of years, especially during COVID, where people have been mimicking you. Like they have been doing that 360 dance where you make popular, where you're kind of growing out a circle. You recognize like how viral and popular you are at this moment?
You know, right now, brother.
Yeah.
Me not about hype over them things there, you know.
Oh.
Because here what? Me just have it natural. Because Jah just make me natural. And me do things natural.
So the one not tell you to print out the paper and like it's just a movement where you just...
Alright. It's like me there home, sit down, and me just jump up and say me about dance and calculate.
Wow.
And the moment I'm just give me a calculator at the same time.
Yeah.
I'm just going in the street. And when I go in the street, I'm gonna say, where you go with that? That not gonna work. And I say, who they behind it? I mean, you can't tired.
So how long ago you've been doing this? Can I imagine the first time you say you got one dance and you're gonna do something like that? I can imagine people that say, yo, where you do that for the band now? Look on it, but you manage to do it and look on the support where you get now.
Yeah, man. For 5 years, I do that.
Whoa.
And we know say it's happy work. And me put my mind to it, it's happy work.
You don't mind me asking you how much now? Like, I know say you've been doing this for a little while, but like, how much now?
47.
Oh, so you do this now and you find say the younger dancer them give you a strength or them sometimes try to block you out.
You know me not gonna say that because me not gonna say that for no camera. No black out no did it.
Okay.
Yeah man, me.
Yeah. Because we know when you step in, you know, people recognize say you're a star, so sometimes you know some people might feel away.
Yeah, but you have to just know say you're natural, can't tired.
Yeah.
And when you know say you're natural, can't tired, natural.
You have any more moves where you work on right now where you probably think say, oh, you want to drop that something special?
Walking call center.
Oh, whoa. We can see that fully for the people them out there in YouTube land because, you know, England and the whole of America. We can give you a little glimpse of that. Alright. Then, yeah, alright. Yeah. Then, okay. Yeah, man, walking call center and one. Yo, the slow motion version. No, what you call the one you know where you go so? And you do that like, what you call that? What the name of it?
Compass.
Compass. Oh, compass. Alright, so can we get a quick tutorial for the people who do not know how to do the compass because many have been trying, but them not really catching. They can show the people them know. So you do the first foot. Okay, and then you just, okay, and you just bring it something there. So you keep the foot there. Oh wow. I have to leave it to the professional. Wow.
You just keep your foot one place.
Keep this foot so.
One place.
And you put the right foot so. And all when you go around, you just keep the foot planted.
Because I'm in a compass. So the compass, the part of the plant,
yes.
you're supposed to move.
Okay. You see the videos that people do?
Yeah.
How it make you feel?
I feel so nice about it because it make me get an uplift more.
Yeah.
And put me on a different scale. You see me? So we just give thanks. We Uptown Monday,
yeah.
Bossy Tuesday.
Wow.
And all of the party them we make can't tired. And big up boom boom. and super hype.
The
Put the
support
hype.
you, yeah.
And when and Uptown Monday, boss them.
Yeah, yeah,
Big up
yeah.
themselves.
So now, more for know now. This dancing stuff now, since you've been getting popular, it's actually a work for you in terms of where you say I get bookings, yeah, I get support. It's like people are calling and pay you for music videos.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
So that is the thing. When people call me, they pay us to do things in them video.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we give thanks.
So yeah, get the type of support.
We give thanks to everybody we call we video shoot.
Are you a full-time dancer or like you do other stuff like other type of hustling? But I know like if you probably have a business or something or like you know.
Me not have no business, brother. I dance in my thing.
Whoa.
See me I say.
Whoa.
And me not have no other elsewhere we are turning any money.
Yeah,
dancing.
yeah. You have family and stuff like that and all of them support what you do.
Yeah, man.
Okay, kids?
Yeah, man.
Oh, how much?
Yeah, 7 kids.
What?
7 kids.
Oh, 7. Oh, how much boys and girls? Oh, okay.
And
okay, that is nice, man. Any of them like you feel like take on the whole dancing thing too?
me not really know about that part.
Oh.
Then we said them are gonna do it,
But you don't know if them.
Me not gonna know if them are gonna do it.
Okay, well, I'm sure if them say them are gonna do it, then I give them a little strength.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
If them come and say, Daddy teach you that move there, big teacher.
Yeah.
Me not
nice.
no problem.
Yeah, on social media and stuff where if people want to reach out to you and probably like give you a strength in our music video and stuff like that,
Yeah, man.
where them can contact, tell the
man.
people them.
Cyaan official and TikTok, Cyaan official and YouTube, Cyaan official and Instagram.
Okay.
And all those social media.
Alright, big up, you know. This is the viral boss. Like you must know this dancer. His name is Cyaan and he's known for the viral moves them. So make sure you say you go and support the boss. Alright, bless.
Alright, we're running up now.
Alright. Alright, bless.
Massive, Echo, Lookalike, Shakespeare. Yeah, man, and I'm trying to come to place and me and them outside. You mad? Alright, then we're close the set now. Oh, yeah.